Hey guys, we're at the back of the forest at the Sunset BMX track or club. Pukekohe again. The dogs love the tracks here. It's just continuously running. Pant even with her hip issues she has. There we go. She's it's maybe a bit of a drop off. Good reversing skills. Yeah, so come here, they absolutely love it. Nice shaded walk, and they just, oh, where she's gone. I think she doesn't know how to get back up again. Oh, there she is. Come on. We'll meet up. Oh, there she is. It's the Bandigill. Where are you going now? Up there. Where are you going? Come on, down. Let's go. Oh, shit. Yeah, so I love our walks. It's great. They love it. It's good for both of us. All of us, I should say. Yeah. Put your tongue away, buddy. Hey? You don't want to see that. No, you're so cute. Keep it out.